My kids can get bored with their toys fairly quickly. They play with them for a while, they build them, they know the game, and then they lose interest in playing with the same thing again. Thanks to Twing's modular structure, they can create something new every day. Twing allows kids to tap into their own creative world. The number of games, toys, and projects that they can build is only limited by their own imagination. My daughter set up an alarm for her secret candy stack, whereas my son can actually build Marvel Legos into robots. And then the next day, they actually build their own self-driving cars and they race each other. The modules are magnetic, so no welding is required, so it's perfectly safe. But what I really love about Twing is that it really believes in the potential of the kid and it empowers them. So it doesn't tell them this is what you need to do and this is the output that you need to get. It gives them the tools so they can do whatever they want, that there's so many possibilities. And I think that flexible growth mindset is so liberating.